Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sale Tech. If you are new here, I share simple tech tips, fixes and step-by-step guide to make your tech life easier. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next tutorial. Now let's get started. In this video I'll show you how you can disable the touchpad on your laptops. So if you use a mouse and you want to disable the touchpad button, you can simply follow 2-3 steps I'm going to show you now. So let's get started. If you are using a Dell laptop and or some of the laptops has this sign here, as you can see. If you have this, you can disable your touchpad just from the keyboard. Simply press and hold Fn and F5. Your touchpad will be disabled. Now if you want to enable it again, just simply press and hold Fn key and F5. It's released now. Another way you can disable touchpad is simply go on to your start menu here and click on touchpad, Dell touchpad. Just double click it. Wait for it to load up. And simply turn on and off here. If you want to access from the Windows menu, just type in touchpad and go into touchpad settings. More touchpad settings. Now Dell has their own touchpad option. So if you are using any other laptop, you will show an option, the touchpad settings on here on this menu. So you can just simply go into the touchpad settings and enable or disable it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.